Hi guys. Decided to do something different. This is pork rolls that I've had in my freezer for quite some time, and there's only 3 left, so I decided to eat them today. Ramen noodles, shrimp ramen noodles with scrambled eggs, carrots, spinach, mustard cheese, and on top I put a little bit of cucumber. For the egg roll sauce, I made a soy sauce vinaigrette with a little bit of sugar to dip it in. I made vinegar veggies. There's cucumbers, carrots, onions, and peppers, sweet peppers. Vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and pepper. We're gonna try that today. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm gonna try the noodles. Oh yeah, I topped it off with sesame seeds. I overfilled this bowl. Oh, I'm gonna cut that part out. Had to make sure the microphone was active. The carrots taste good. So do the noodles. They're making a mess. I knew I overfilled this bowl. I don't know if you guys can see the steam. Good combination. So I drained just about all the water out of the noodles so I can mix in the seasoning. I cooked the carrots and the spinach in with the noodles. I forgot to mention that. For 2.5 minutes. Drain most of the water. Oh, while it's cooking, I scrambled up eggs, okay? No salt and pepper on the eggs, just regular eggs, okay? 1 egg. I sliced up some mustard cheese, real thin. This is really good. Making a mess. And then I mix the cheese and the eggs, and well, first the eggs, then the cheese, so it melt together. And top it off with some fresh cucumber and some sesame seeds. Really good. Really, really good. I was hoping that the noodles were a little bit more dante, but it will work. It tastes really good. Alright, so are these cool enough so I can eat them? Put that on there so I don't ruin the tablecloth. It's already ruined. Stains on it from the previous years. Okay. I got these egg rolls months ago, probably almost a year ago, from Sam's Club. I made the sauce right. Do I like the egg roll though? I don't know. Hot. It's all right. You guys seen me eat these before, so no, they're not freezer burned. Weird combination for lunch, huh? Big chunk of cheese. There's extra noodles. I decided to just have a small serving because of the extra stuff I'm eating. I'm glad I did this. This is really good. Good combination. The only problem is I don't have any more cucumber. It's all in there. If I wanted to make more, you know? So this came up on my Facebook feed. It just showed what was in it, but they didn't tell me how much stuff to put in it. So one of my friends told me how to make it, but then I was like, well, there's got to be a different way. So I went on Facebook, and one of the people that I follow, Helen something, excuse me, I can't pronounce her last name, but she's really known on Facebook, YouTube. She put sugar in it. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try the carrot first. Oh God. And she took the seeds off the cucumber, but I didn't do that. Whoa! Vinegar. Oh. Pepper and onion. Mmm. They kept their crunch and everything. Okay, so I used a cup of vinegar, a cup of water, sprinkled salt and pepper in it, and I put a half a cup of sugar in it. A little less than a half a cup. Dissolve the sugar. Put whatever vegetables you want in it. Put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And they're done. Okay. My son won't eat this, so it's okay. Oh, vinegar, pepper, black pepper. Does bring the taste out. Oh no. Get back in there. Now this combination usually is used for dumplings and pot stickers. But this is almost like pot stickers, so it didn't have any sweet and sour sauce. Black and green tea from the idea came from Barbara. I haven't heard from her in a while. Hope she's all right. No, Brenda. Oh my God. Those B words. Brenda. Hope she's doing okay. She watches my videos, so. Brenda, I've been thinking about you. I could probably sit there, watch a movie, and eat all that in one sitting. The vegetables, betcha, because they're really good. Down to $1.95. So in 8 weeks, I lost 12 pounds. I've cut down on a lot of stuff. Of course, I didn't realize that I was eating a lot. I had no idea. Because you know when food tastes so good, you want to keep eating it. I tell you what, that tastes a hell of a lot better than the jars of pickles that you get from the store. And just make your own. And they're a lot more crunchier when you make them your own. Try to mix up everything and cool down the tea. It's really hot. Excuse me, getting full. I should send Brenda a letter, see if she gets it. Watch, I'll go get her address and her name and find out it's Barbara. Whichever it is, no insults, okay? I didn't mean to get her name wrong. I do that often. I call my other friend Barbara Brenda, and she's like, I'm not Brenda. I was like, oh, I'm sorry. Uncle. Hot. I should be drinking water. Oh, it's hot. But I need caffeine. So, if you guys haven't noticed, I've been making a lot of stuff. I'm doing another project, but I'm not going to tell you guys about, show it on video yet. I'm doing a step-by-step, and then when I'm done, then I will show the video. Because I want you guys to be surprised. But, the pillows are up for sale on Etsy. So is the twin blanket, if anybody's interested. I made the prayer beads. They're up on Etsy too. I finally finished those off. Made a couple of bracelets. Those are on. I put some stones and crystals up on there too for sale. Down below in the description, I will put my link to my Etsy account, so you guys can check it out. Cucumber, egg, I was laying in bed today, just watching YouTube videos, going through my Facebook page. And I started getting hungry. I'm going, what should I eat besides the vegetables? And the egg rolls popped into my head. I said, that's a great idea. And then I thought about the ramen noodles. And I was like, that's a good idea too. So I made both of them. And Kyle had a 2-hour delay today because of the snow and ice that happened yesterday into last night. Usually the school follows the other school in our area, but the other area didn't put it up, and his school did, and we're just like, what? I said, well, at least it was nice of them to let us know in advance instead of waking us up at 5:30 in the morning. And he gets up at 6:30 in the morning to get ready for school. And that's hot tea. A couple of weeks ago, I thought I was going to be moving, but it turned out to be not so. So that gives me more time to, you know, gather up funds to move. And that's why I'm putting a lot of stuff on Etsy. I'm trying to. Oh gosh, I'm eating too fast. I'm burping a lot. Sorry, guys. All right. Oops, sorry. My grandbaby, she's getting really big. I'm gonna see if I can draw up a current picture of her so you guys can see her. And my screenshots? No. No, not there yet. I have to go to Facebook. Where's my baby girl at? I'm gonna end up sneezing, and I'm sorry if I do. There. Which one do I want to show you guys? That one. Ready? Let's see. Can you see her? That's my family there in Louisiana. One day I'll be able to see my grandbaby. Now my daughter, she's like, I need to go back to work and I don't want to. I said, if you don't want to, find another way. Start doing stuff and selling them online and stuff. And she's like, You know how hard that is? Is that I've been doing it for many years. Yes, I know how hard it is. But you're very popular. I started out scratch. You have already a following. You can do this. Find something that you enjoy doing it and sell it. I ate all that. Ooh, a cucumber. No, I'm not eating that. I don't like cold noodles. Thanks a lot for joining me for lunch, guys. Sorry it's not live. Don't have internet for that. Hopefully in the future, though. Hopefully. If everything pans out the way I want it to. I'll be on YouTube quite a bit. We'll just hope. I'm planning. I'm just trying to get it going into motion. That's the hard part. Okay, so bear with me. There's always something different going on in everybody's lives. So bear with me and hopefully this will turn out the way I want it to. Gotta keep on trying. You know how that is, right? Okay. Thank you guys. You have a nice, wonderful week. And I'll keep you posted if there's any change in my life. Okay? All right. Talk at you later. Bye.